Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to show you here how to quickly generate a website using AI. So we're here. First, you want to go to framer.com. When you open up a new project, you're going to start with a blank canvas here. So we're going to make a prompt. So to do that, go here, click the F, quick actions, generate page. Now they'll give you some suggestions already, but let's say we want to make a landing page for a coach. Let's say nutrition coach. So make it simple. And then hit enter. Okay. Let's see what it gives us. Gonna zoom out. So it's not perfect. There's a lot of room for improvement. It didn't give me a video sales letter VSL, but needless to say, it is an okay start. You can do things like over here on the side, not now. You can change up the colors, the color scheme, green, I mean health coach, I would think green. If you're not even happy with it, you can just restart, so regenerate. This could have been better actually. Let's see how it goes back to the original one. Make a simple landing page for nutrition coach, coaching, healthier and cure gut inflammation, use smaller. Let's see. The goal of the page is to get people to check out and pay for coaching services. Let's try that. Yeah, there was no real good CTA that we could use. Let's see. Generating the page. So this idea really you can take with any type of business, B2B, D2C, whatever. It's an okay start. AI is still not there. Obviously, you do need some design skills, i.e. let me know if you need help with it. But yeah, if you're just trying to really play with your imagination, just test different things, this is a perfect tool to play around with. Framer makes it super easy. It is free to use, so anybody can get in on this. It is taking a while. Okay, let's see. Okay. It's a little bit better. The font sizing are all over the place. I don't know how I feel about these colors. Let's go back to the screen. This is okay. What you can do too here, you can shuffle. Let's see if I go layers. Yeah, that'll just shuffle this whole section. That's a bit better. So, obviously the way I usually structure my pages, the way you want to structure is your process and benefits are two separate sections. If you're somebody who really wants to condense it, I don't usually see people do that, but that's one way to go about it. Let your health soar. So I would probably add an image component here on the right. Yeah, 2024. It's not there, of course, but it is a start. At least they got the CTA this time. I would probably make this font smaller and then add a video in the middle between the header and the subheader. But yeah, it's not the worst. I've seen a lot worse than this. They do already have the mobile optimized, which is decent. But yeah, let me know in the comments any ideas you have for a landing page or for your website, and I can help you out, play around with that. So let me know in the comments and I can make future videos using AI to generate pages based on your niche. So let me know in the comments below. Have a great day, everyone.